Hi everyone, welcome to another video. In this video we're going to see how to write data into a particular column from an array. So we pass the column number and we pass the array values and it will write into that particular array. This is very helpful when you're trying to write things into particular column instead of the rows. So for this, first thing is I will go to the extension app script and let me put these side by side here. I'll go to this and this one. I'm going to arrange them side by side, and here is my code. The first line of code will be to get hold of the sheet, which is sheet 1 here, and then we're going to add a function called add array to sheet column, and then I'm going to paste a certain amount of lines of code inside that, and this is my method which is going to add it, and now I'm going to test it. So for testing purpose I'll add another method called test. In the test method I'm going to call this method, and this is my input array. And here is another one which is called column to letter, which happens, what it does is if you give the column number, it will give you the letter. And similarly we have another function called letter to column, where if you give the letter, it will give you the column number, right? So we are using column to letter here. And if you're curious to know, let me just say column to letter, and I will say E, and if I say letter to column and I say 5, let me comment this and let me run the test method, right? So when I run this, I'm going to get some permissions which I'm going to approve. Yeah, allow. Okay, and column to letter, I think it takes input as number, and letter to column takes input as, let me check now. So as we can see, if I pass number 5, it is the E column. If I say D, it is the number 4 column. So these two methods are very helpful. You might be able to use it in future sometime. And here what we are passing is number. So column to letter is the method that we're calling, right? So here I am passing 2 values and I want to paste it in the row numbers, in the column number 6, which is F. Now when I run this method, as we can see here, it is automatically added. And if I change this to 2 and I add some more values and run this, it's going to add to the second column. So this is a neat way to add values to a particular column instead of a row while using Google Sheets. Hope you learned something new today. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.